You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting and important Japanese word, also a name, a Japanese word which means to like very much, so it's stronger than like, and it's pretty much love. In Japanese, in Japan, it is said as Daisuki, Daisuki. So you have the U, it's just a very light sound, Daisuki. So some may say that the U is actually silent, so it's almost like it's silent, Daisuki. Daisuki, you could almost link up the S and the K. Daisuki is how it's said in Japanese pronunciation. Now you know Daisuki. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.